মাগো তোমার চরণ দুটি বক্ষে আমার ধরি, আমার এই দেশেতে জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতে মরি।
So, but I hope I was able to convey that, there is a bit of a debate about how universal music is. What I was suggesting was that Tagore believed that there were different musical traditions, and so you have to make some effort to be able to appreciate, another country's music or the music of another part of the world.
I'm part of the Madras Musical Association, and we are providing musical technical support for this concert. I'm part of the Madras Musical Association. So we are helping them with all the rehearsals. They had rehearsals the whole of this week since last Saturday till today, and we've been arranging the space, all the stands, chairs, music, sheets, and things like that. So my team and I, we make sure the place is ready for them, and whatever the musicians would need regarding music, we help them get that.
I'm from Kolkata. I play the viola in the orchestra. I played with them for a concert in Bangalore in 2019, I believe. And then this is my second performance. I got a violist too with violin, and then I also picked up the viola eventually, and now I play both. And I feel that they're amazing instruments to learn and play.
Born in Kerala but from New Zealand, brought up in New Zealand.
And
how old am I?
Yeah.
I don't.
You don't have to answer that. It's just...
Can we cut that part?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Okay.
So what do you play?
I play violin. Playing for a long time, over 30 years.
Oh.
So you know a little bit about how old I am now.
Did you want to learn the violin?
Because my sister was learning it, so she's my older sister, and I wanted to do everything she was doing, so I started after she was playing.